Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to access Microsoft Teams online. So to do that, just go ahead and open up any of your browser. Then just go to google.com and search for Microsoft Teams. Then from the first match, just go inside Microsoft.com's website. And you will be introduced to Microsoft Teams homepage. Now you can either download it, but our goal is to see it online on the web page, so we will just click on sign in. Then after the sign in screen appears, just enter your email. And after that, just wait. You might have to give your password, and then it will open up Microsoft Teams for you. And there you go. My Microsoft Teams has been opened on my browser. And basically, that is how to access Microsoft Teams online. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.